cook just about everything. Good Lord. Come on in here, y'all. Come on, come on, come on. Guess what I'm cooking for you guys today? I'm gonna make baked fish. Okay, but I'm just gonna make one piece of baked fish because it's just me. Now, if you're trying to lose weight or you just wanna make your fish, a different way and you're tired of frying, you can bake your fish, y'all. You just gotta know how to make it taste good, how to make it taste right, so you'll wanna bake it all the time. Don't get me wrong now. I do have some pounds to lose. I really do. But you know what, y'all? I'm gonna start doing better soon. I am. The holidays coming up and it's gonna be kind of tough. But you know what though? Maybe 3 or 4 times out of the week you can eat right, okay? Now also I'm gonna tell you guys to go out there and vote. Vote because it matters, you guys. It does. Look at this. I did early voting today. I'm a Georgia voter. Okay. With all that said, y'all, make sure you go vote for your favorite candidates. Don't listen to what nobody say, okay? Do your research on all the candidates. Every last one of them before you vote on them. All right. With all that said, let me make my baked fish. Whew. I want you to set your oven to 375 degrees. Here's my piece of fish. It's called a SWAI, something like that. I don't know what that is, but somebody gave it to me for free. And I said, I'll try it. I had it once before. I did, y'all. But you got to make sure you wash your fish off, okay? And once you wash it off, you want to kind of damp it, get all the excess water off. Wipe it off the board. Turn it over. And you damp it again, okay? Make sure you do it right now. Do it right. Okay. Now this is what I have here, y'all. Okay. I'm going to use some butter, melted butter. And I'm going to use some Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper, okay, garlic powder, my favorite, some complete seasoning by Badia. This is wonderful, y'all. This stuff is wonderful. You can find it in almost any store, Kroger's, Walmart, everywhere, okay? Publix. And you're going to use some lemon juice. This says 100% lemon juice. You can squeeze real lemon juice too if you want it, but I didn't have any. So I'm going to use this real lemon juice. Make sure it says real 100%. All right. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the butter or margarine. You can use margarine if you don't have butter. That's all right, y'all. It's okay. It's okay. The way butter costs now, the price of butter, whoo, it's off the chain, I'm telling you. All right. And now I'm going to flip that bad boy over. I'm going to put some on the other side. Ooh, this smells good, this butter. I ain't even put nothing on it yet. No seasonings. Okay. All right. Now, I'm not going to tell you how much seasoning to put on it, y'all. But I'm just going to tell you to beware of the salt, okay? You don't want to put too much salt. I'm going to put some salt. Sprinkle some salt. Hope you can see. Let's put a little bit on there. Let me use my other hand so I don't cover up the fish. Put your pepper. If you don't want pepper, leave it off. Leave it off, okay? Whatever you don't want, leave it off. Okay? Now, I like garlic. I'm going to take this and I'm going to spread that evenly. All right? Spread that evenly. You want it evenly all over there. Okay, now I'm going to put my complete seasoning on it. This stuff is wonderful. Now, complete seasoning have salt, so you still got to be careful, okay? You can just only put complete seasoning. You don't have to put salt at all, regular salt like this. If you don't want it in there, don't do it. But I'm telling you, I do both. But I just put a little bit. Oh, I'm weak, y'all. Oh, God. Okay, I got it open. Oh, Lord. Whew. I was going to do it like this. Let me do it like this so I don't get too much on it. Ooh, yeah. It's good, y'all. I'm telling you, it's good. You know, baked fish is good for you. Any fish is good. Like I say, any type you want, you can do. And now I'm going to do my Worcestershire sauce. Ooh. There we go. All right. Ooh, that smells good. Now I'm going to do the other side, y'all. Y'all saw what I did here, so I don't need to show you the other side. I don't need to show you, okay? Unless some of y'all can't follow instructions. But you know what? This is easy. Very easy. Okay, I put some foil, aluminum foil, in the bottom of a pan. Okay? Only got one piece of fish. Now I'm going to do it with some cooking spray. Put some cooking spray in there because I don't want it to stick. Any cooking spray would do. No stick cooking spray. All right? All right. Now that I have my fish in here, y'all see it. Look how nice that look. Okay? See how it's covered? That's how you want yours to be covered, okay? Covered pretty good. All right. Just like I said, be careful with the salt. All right? If you don't want salt, like I said, don't put it on there. Now I'm going to fold it up in the foil. Don't worry, it's going to cook. It's going to cook. And I'm going to put it in the oven. Oh, let me say maybe for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay? It don't take fish that long to cook, especially if you got one piece. One. Up she goes. I put mine on the top rack, y'all. And I may take the foil off to just let it brown a little bit, okay? I like to see a little brownness. I mean, not a whole lot, not burn, but a little brownness. All right. Okay, let's see what it's looking like. I know it smells good, y'all. All right, now I'm going to open it up. It's a little hot. Should have had on some gloves or something. A little hot. Ooh, that's looking good, y'all. I'm telling you, the aroma coming from here, I'm pretty sure the people can smell it in my apartment complex. Look at this. Look at this right here. Now I'm going to put it in there and just let it just brown a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. All right? You can do that if you want to, or you can eat it like that. All right? All right. Here we go. All right. Here we go. Woo. That heat. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Woo. Let me plate this up. Ooh-wee. Let me tell you something about this fish, y'all. It doesn't even smell fishy. It doesn't. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Now I'm going to eat this with some salad. You can eat this with whatever you like. Okay? I'm going to make me a side salad. You can eat it with some veggies, you know, beans, green beans, whatever, potato salad, you know. Either way, it's going to be good with whatever you eat it with. Let me taste it. Good Lord. Great every time. Let me tell you, you can also put this on a grill, okay? Just put it in the foil and poke holes in it. Cook it on the grill. Man, it's good like that. It's really great like that. But I'm going to say again, beware of the salt, okay? Because the complete seasoning, the Badia complete seasoning has salt in it, and so does the Worcestershire sauce or whatever. You can leave it out completely if you want to, but I just sprinkle a little bit on it because I know how much salt I like. And you can leave the pepper off if you don't like it. Basically, you can add whatever you want to it, but if you use some of those ingredients that I use, it's gonna turn out great every time, y'all. All right, that's it. Let me move right along. Did I forget anything? Let me see. Nope, I didn't forget nothing. But make sure y'all come back now, okay? Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos with your friends, family, and social media. I sure would appreciate it if you do that for sandfay. Do that for me. All right. With all that being said, y'all, make sure that you come back next week to Cooking with Sandra Faye.